Are you a YouTube TV subscriber and a die-hard NFL fan who wants access to every out-of-market game? Adding NFL Sunday Ticket directly to your existing plan is the most seamless way to get all your football action in one place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. The process is designed to be very simple. The best way to manage your account and add new packages is by using a web browser on a computer or your phone. So start by going to tv.youtube.com. The most important step is to make sure you are signed in to the Google account that is associated with your YouTube TV membership. If you're part of a family plan, make sure you're using the account of the family manager, as they're the one who controls the subscription. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account management page. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu with options like membership, billing, and location. Click on Membership. This is your central hub for your YouTube TV plan. You'll see your current base plan listed. Right below that, or in a featured section on this page, you will see the options for available add-on networks. During the NFL season, NFL Sunday Ticket will be one of the most prominent options. You will likely be presented with a couple of choices. There's typically one option to purchase just NFL Sunday Ticket, and another, slightly more expensive option to bundle Sunday Ticket with the NFL RedZone channel. Decide which package is right for you. Click the Add or Subscribe button next to your chosen package. You will then be taken to a final confirmation screen to approve the new charge to your account. Since you're already a YouTube TV subscriber, your payment information should already be on file, making the checkout process quick and easy. Once you confirm, that's it. NFL Sunday Ticket is now part of your YouTube TV subscription. On game days, the channels and multi-view options will appear automatically in your live guide and on your home screen. If this guide helped you add Sunday Ticket to your plan, please give this video a thumbs up. And to make sure you don't miss any other helpful tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.